What if I told you the future of carbonated drinks has almost nothing to do with the drinks themselves? You're watching Next Move Strategy Consulting, where we uncover the stories behind the world's fastest growing markets and technologies. But have you ever wondered what's really driving innovation behind your favorite carbonated drinks? Let's dive in. To survive this shift, Keurig Dr. Pepper and Suntory Beverage and Food Europe have deepened their strategic partnership to aggressively accelerate growth across Europe's carbonated soft drinks market. The product wars are escalating rapidly. Coca-Cola has launched a massive nationwide rollout, introducing Coca-Cola Cherry Float, Diet Coke Cherry, and reviving Mr. Pibb with a bolder flavor and more caffeine. Pepsi has countered instantly, driving unprecedented global search interest through its new experiential away-from-home beverage platform, the Pepsi House of Treats. But beneath the surface of these record commercial successes, legacy beverage portfolios are colliding with a hard physical and economic wall. The traditional models of high-fructose corn syrup and carbonated water have hit absolute consumer saturation, choked by shifts in human biology and institutional health mandates. The operational risks are escalating. A major new SNAP ruling is threatening to restrict beverage eligibility across multiple states, putting billions of dollars of institutional revenue directly at risk, while global supply chains face volatile ingredient degradation. To break through this bottleneck, corporate funding is flooding into alternative categories. Varun Beverages has executed a massive $125 million acquisition of South Africa's Twiza, instantly absorbing its manufacturing networks to command the African market. To understand how this new paradigm works, we have to look under the hood at the core molecular mechanics. This is no longer about mixing sugar and water. It is a game of data-driven bioengineering. Giants like Monster Beverage have fundamentally updated their innovation strategies, using advanced data pipelines to map exact flavor profiles and functional compounds. Scaling global formulas demands ruthless efficiency. Refresco maximizes automated yields, while PepsiCo taps Google Cloud AI for predictive analytics. This shift drives unorthodox adoption. Nestlé bypassed legacy design with Pure Life Soda Plus, a functional hydration carbonation hybrid. Simultaneously, LaCroix and Red Bull weaponized digital scarcity, deploying micro-innovations via targeted social ecosystems to capture highly fragmented demographics. The smoking gun data validating this corporate transformation isn't just found across digital networks like Instagram. It is written directly into major enterprise integrations. On July 1st, 2026, Marriott International and the Coca-Cola Company finalized a massive strategic beverage agreement, embedding Coke's specialized 2026 Insider product ecosystem across thousands of global properties. This rapid evolution is heavily accelerated by tightening regulatory and geopolitical policies. Asahi Group's official debut into India's non-alcohol, non-carbonated beverage market is a direct defensive maneuver against escalating domestic sugar taxes and shifting public health mandates worldwide. A 2026 insider perspective from the front lines of beverage strategy summarizes the new corporate manifesto perfectly. The product of modern beverage giants is no longer just the liquid inside the can. It is the technological infrastructure, predictive data models, and experiential ecosystem built around it. When we zoom out, we can fully quantify the scale of this opportunity. Data from Next Move Strategy Consulting reveals the definitive turning point. The global carbonated drinks market is projected to grow continuously, hitting a massive valuation of $593.42 billion by 2030, driven by a steady compound annual growth rate of 4.41% by 2030. Based on this data-driven trajectory, the companies mathematically positioned to dominate this future infrastructure are those controlling the digital twins and cross-border partnerships. Keurig Dr. Pepper's aggressive updates to its refreshment portfolio, alongside Varun Beverages' rapid expansion of Asahi's Calpis infrastructure, represent the new blueprints for global market capture. Thank you for watching this episode. If you'd like to explore this topic further, you'll find additional resources and market research links in the description below. Subscribe for more market intelligence, emerging technology analysis, and strategic insights that help you stay ahead of the market. We'll see you in the next episode.